Hi foodies, here's quick kettle recipes and this is episode number 2 where we are going to whip in a quick ragi porridge. To the kettle, add a cup of water and turn on the heat. I am using Ibell multipurpose kettle and you can check the product unboxing and review link left in the description box. Before this water comes to a boil, let's take half cup of ragi or finger millet flour to a bowl and mix 1 cup of water to it and then make sure there are no lumps. So basically to make a ragi porridge, we are following 1:4 ratio where I have taken half cup of ragi and 2 cups of water. Now when the water comes to a nice boil, let's slowly pour in the mixed slurry. Make sure to stir it immediately and keep stirring continuously so that no lumps form out of it. This ragi porridge just takes few minutes of time to get ready, but this is really great and healthy breakfast that you can whip up in few minutes. When you're staying in hostel or you're working, this really helps. You have to keep stirring until you get a consistency where this ragi change into nice brown color and gets thickened. See this consistency, this is just perfect. Now once this gets cooked, just turn off the heat. Now once this gets cooked in correct consistency, let's add on milk to it. You can add as much as milk you can. I am adding half cup of milk here so that I love this pouring consistency. Just add on enough jaggery or sweetener of your choice to enhance your ragi porridge flavor and enjoy this quick ragi porridge for your breakfast or dinner. It's just healthy and easy. Meet you in another video. Until then, bye.